Hey everyone, it is a cold morning here in Ohio and I haven't started the 86 1-ton pickup in like 2 months. It's time to start parting this thing out, so I'm going to pull it in the garage and get to work on the interior. But first, I have a freshly charged battery to drop in. I keep my batteries inside because it's getting pretty chilly out here. There we go. 525 cold cranking amps on this cold morning. How to do it. Those feel tight enough. Oh, fresh mouse turds. Here we go. All right, fired up a little bit slower than normal. Oh, it's not happy. Let's try again. There we go. Seems fine now. I'll let it warm up for a minute before I move it. I love this factory double din radio. This might go in my truck. Uh-oh. Maybe a few minutes to warm up. So I'm in the garage while it warms up and it started running real rough. Sounds like an old hit-miss engine. It never did this before it sat in my driveway for a couple months. Okay, I'll let it warm up some more. Again, I leave for a minute, and again it's sputtering and barely running. I wonder if the gas is bad. There's not much left in the tank, and I have no idea how old it is. Feels like it has a slight misfire. It's better with some RPMs. Just wants to stall at idle. Anybody have any guesses on this one?